Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have a video response for Leasy46. Hi Elise. And she is doing a hashtag spread kindness 57 for her birthday. And what she's doing is she's having us send a card to anyone that we've never sent a card to before who follows our channel. I think this is amazing, and she said that she'd find it wonderful if we did that all year, and I think that's an awesome idea. So I want to share the card that I made, and one of you will be getting it. So let me share what I used. I used this Wonky Hearts die from My Creative Time. I used this sentiment set from Sending Love from My Creative Time. And I used the special delivery just for you down here. And then I also used the Happy Galentine's Day. So that should give it away that this is a Valentine's Day card. Then I used the Ginger Boy and Girl die set from My Creative Time that I just got. And then I used the Ginger's Doily dies. I also used this Simple Stories, Simple Vintage My Valentine paper pad. I used my Diamond Stickles. I used some Happy Valentine's Day foil confetti from the 99-cent only store. And lastly, I used a corrugated heart die, or corrugated heart little paper from Hobby Lobby. And I used some Kitsch Flamingo Distress Oxide to ink my paper. And this is the card I made. And that's the inside. So one of you lucky gals will be receiving this in the mail. And I hope y'all join in. It's till the end of the month. And thank you for watching. All right, bye-bye.